Next topic is the type of selectivity. We have three different type of selective reactions: chemoselectivity, regioselectivity and stereoselective reaction. First of all, we are moving to regioselectivity. Regioselectivity means in a multi-step synthesis, if you are using a reagent where the reagent will react or where the reagent will react in a chemical reaction if the reagent consisting of multiple bond, etc. So that is the regioselectivity. It is a very important university question. It's an essay question. Chemoselectivity, differentiate between chemoselectivity, regioselectivity and stereoselectivity. So regioselectivity, I am again repeating, regioselectivity means if in a multi-step synthesis, if we take a reagent, the reagent in where will the reagent will attack. That is the regioselectivity. See the first example. In this, if we are brominating the starting material, definitely the bromine will go to the para position. This is mainly due to the functional group which is present in the starting material is ortho-para directing, and we have to avoid the steric hindrance. That's why it always go to the para position of the starting material. But in the second example, it consisting of it is an unsaturated carbonyl compound. So if we take the nucleophile can attack in the two position. First one is the attack in the carbon of the carbonyl group or in the carbon in the double bond. So we will get the two product. Okay, so first is the attack of the nucleophile in the carbonyl carbon or in the attack of the carbon in the multiple nucleophile in the multiple bonded carbon. So this type of the reaction is known as stereoselective reaction, and addition reaction is two type. First is the direct addition, second is the conjugate addition. So we will get the two product. That's why we call it as regioselective reaction. So regioselective means the word indicate where the reagent attacks. Next we are moving into chemoselectivity. Chemoselectivity means if we in a multi-step reaction, if the starting material consists of two functional groups, if we add a reagent, the reagent will attack only one functional group and leave the other one. So which functional group will react, that will give you the chemoselectivity. Next we are moving into the example chemoselective reaction. In the first example, if we take the excess quantity of AC2O, both the functional group hydroxyl and NH2 is reacted and we will get the product. But if you are taking the same starting material in one equivalent of AC2O, only the NH2 is reacted and we will get the paracetamol. This is mainly due to, if you are comparing the reactivity of the OH group and NH2, the NH2 is more nucleophilic than the OH group. So definitely the reagent will attack on the more active functional group. That's why we will get paracetamol and leave the other functional group. So the functional group is inactive for this particular reagent. So if we are already discussed the protective group. If we have to take, or if we wanted to make the reaction in the hydroxyl group, we have to protect the NH2. Then we do the experiment on the OH group. After the completion of the reaction, we have to deprotect the NH2 group. That is the role of the protective group. And next selectivity is the stereoselectivity. Stereoselectivity we are already discussed in the first semester. Stereoselective reaction. Stereoselective reaction means for the chemical reaction we will get the two product. For example, if you are taking the carbonyl group, the attack will be, the nucleophile will attack in the both the direction. So we'll get the both the product, dextro and levorotatory. Sometime it may be in the equal position, so we'll get the racemic mixture, or we will get the 70, 40, 60, 40, 70, 30 ratio. So this type of reaction is known as stereoselective reaction. So if we ask the university question as an essay type, you should write the name first, type of selectivity, and you quote it chemoselectivity and write the definition, regioselectivity, write the definition like that, and quote the some of the example.